What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the front lip that I got for the Evo. It just came in the mail, came in this nice big box. We'll get it opened up, see if it came with any hardware that I need. If not, then I'll have to go out and get that. But let's get it opened up, take a look at it. Hopefully it's not cracked or broken. We'll get it mocked up on the car and kind of go from there. Hopefully I don't have to do too much modification to it and the fitment is good. You know, with these aftermarket parts, fitment is 50-50. So let's get it opened up and take a look at it. Alright, so it came pretty nicely packaged. Alright guys, finally got the lip unwrapped. So it was packaged very nicely, and you can see it's a really nice front lip. It's the J style front lip for the Evo 9 front bumper. I got it from Icon Motorsports. I'm really happy with the way it's looking so far. It feels like a quality piece. You can see it's not just like a hollow back. It's actually got this bottom piece there, which is nice. So yeah, like I said, it came with the hardware, so I think we might be able to get this lip on the car tonight. Alright guys, so here's a little mock-up of it for now. What I think I'm gonna do is take the front bumper off. My buddy BK, who's got the silver Evo 8, he's gonna come over and I think we're gonna get this thing on tonight. So I think it's gonna fit actually pretty well. This thing's gonna look so good with this front lip on the car. It's been needing it bad. Can't wait to get this thing buttoned up.
Man.
Yeah, it's not bad, right?
Yo, it's not bad.
So I think like we can make it work. I don't know, but I'm thinking what I'm gonna have to do is take the front bumper off.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, what do we think? The front end's coming along, huh? See, it came with the screws too, so
yeah.
I'm thinking like I can just get it all buttoned up tonight.
Dude, that changes the whole front end game.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna look good.
Is it just push and pull?
Yeah, it's a push and it should just like come right off.
Put it like that?
Yeah, yeah, so we just put it straight down like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it actually looks really good. See, like, no gap here. Yeah, I think we're good. Right, so I think they just screw in at an angle right there. Just tap in.
Now, you just gotta make sure the head is...
So we'll do one like here.
Mm-hmm.
I like how I just get you over and then you just do the work for me.
It's okay. I actually enjoyed that.
I know, I feel like...
Yeah, we were gonna...
Is it grabbing?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It was good. Oh yeah.
Nice.
It's tight.
I don't think we're gonna need 3M.
Nope.
Perfect.
Sounds nasty in the beginning because it's that.
It's just grabbing.
You like that light, don't you?
Yeah. Super simple to screw in. I mean, everything lines up. You can see that messed up part on the bumper. All right, let's get this on the car. Wow. I need to get it outside, but man. That looks good. Yup, it's perfect. It's exactly what it needed. Nice.
All right, Nick. Well,
thank you. That is so cool. Can you get the booster pack like you can Tesla? Can you buy it on that?
Probably not. I don't know, but it's fast enough for me.
Yeah. All right, BK. I'll see you.
Good night.
What is going on, guys? It's the next day. I figured I wanted to come out here and pull the car out and give a little walk around with the front lip on it. And we'll just walk around the car, show you guys the progress of the build so far. So yeah, let's get in the car, we'll pull it out. All right, here's a good look at it out of the garage now in the daylight. This is a little bit close, so I gotta figure out what to do with that. But all in all, I think it looks really good. Definitely gives the front end a complete look. This car's come a long way in the last month of ownership, month and a half of ownership. Still got to get that dent out of the driver's side door. We got to do a little paint touch up with paint. Still some minor things, but I'm happy with how it's coming along. So yeah, guys, if you want to follow the progress on this build, subscribe and like the video, and I'll put more Evo content out.